Ever wondered how to make English part of your daily life? Today, I'll show you how, one simple sentence at a time. Welcome to English Xpress, the podcast where speaking and listening practice become part of your routine. I'm here to guide you through 100 useful daily English sentences divided by morning, work, evening, night, and daily habits. Why daily routines? Repetition builds fluency, like a bricklayer building a strong wall. And context helps. Just like GPS guides, you turn by turn. So, what can you expect? We'll walk through each routine, practice pronunciation, and I'll share tips to make these sentences stick. Are you ready to make English practice your daily habit? Let's start, step by step. Let's imagine it's 6 a.m. The alarm rings. What do? You wake up. Simple. Say it after me. I wake up at 6 a.m. Next, you turn off your alarm. That's I turn off my alarm. Picture it, your hand reaching for your phone or clock. Getting out of bed slowly, you stretch. I get out of bed slowly. I stretch my body. These actions start your day gently, like warming up before exercise. Making your bed sets the tone. I make my bed. Have you noticed how a tidy room can clear your mind? It's organization in action. Morning routines are your foundation. Repeat these sentences with me and visualize each step. Now, let's talk about getting ready. Hygiene is key, right? These actions are routine, but so important. First, I brush my teeth. Oral hygiene, just like keeping your vocabulary clean and sharp. Next, I wash my face. Imagine cool water on your skin waking you up. Then I take a shower. Showers refresh your body and mind. It's like resetting your computer. Afterwards, I dry my hair. I get dressed. These are the transitions from sleepy to ready. And finally, I comb my hair. Each sentence is a small, repeatable victory. Try saying them out loud now. Once you're ready, it's time to connect and fuel up. Ever check your phone first thing? Most of us do. I check my phone, I read messages. It's like reading the headlines before starting your journey. Hydration comes next. I drink a glass of water. Water is energy, just like new words power up your speaking. I prepare breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee or tea. Each step energizes your body. That's your breakfast routine. Let's add, I watch the news. I plan my day. These actions prepare your mind. Practice saying these sentences with your morning activities in mind. You're ready? It's time to go out. I leave the house. It's the first step into the world. Do you go to work or school? I go to work. I go to school. Transport comes next. I catch the bus. I drive to work. Each way gets you to your destination, like different spelling rules leading to the same word. I listen to music on the way. Music can set your mood or help with language rhythm. Think of it as your soundtrack. I arrive on time. Punctuality is key. Repeat these sentences as you imagine your own morning commute. Now, you're at work or school. What's next? I greet my colleagues. A simple hello can open doors, right? I check my emails. Emails are the lifeblood of business, like the veins carrying information. I start my tasks. I attend meetings. Meetings and tasks are the engine that moves the day forward. I take notes. I make phone calls. Each action keeps you connected and organized. Let's practice. Repeat each of these sentences as you picture your work or study space. Work is all about communication. Think, I reply to messages. I work on my computer. Computers are like toolboxes full of resources. I focus on my work. Focus is your superpower, like a flashlight in a dark room. I take a short break. I drink water regularly. Short breaks refresh your brain, just as pausing helps your speaking flow. I have lunch at noon. I talk with coworkers. Lunch is both a break and a chance to connect. Practicing these sentences helps you speak naturally about what you do every day. After lunch, work continues. I continue working. I solve problems. Problem solving is like untangling headphones, sometimes tricky but satisfying. I learn new things. Every day is an opportunity to grow. I complete my tasks. I finish my work. Checking things off your list is so rewarding, like reaching the end of a good book. I leave the office. This marks the transition from work to rest. Let's say these sentences together, picturing your end-of-day routines. You're heading home. I go back home. This is your safe space. I relax for a while. Everyone needs downtime. It's like recharging your phone. I change my clothes. Comfort matters. I sit on the couch. I watch TV. This is your time to unwind. Repeat these sentences as you imagine your evening at home. Evenings are for relaxation and family. I scroll on my phone. I read a book. Both are ways to relax and learn. I listen to music. I take a nap. Music calms you, naps recharge you, like updates for your software. I go for a walk. I exercise. Movement is energy, like punctuation adds energy to sentences. I cook dinner. I help in the kitchen. Preparing food brings people together. Let's practice these leisure activities as daily English sentences. Dinner time. I eat dinner. I talk with my family. Conversation at dinner is like seasoning on a meal. It makes it richer. I clean the table. I wash the dishes. These chores are part of keeping your space healthy, like editing your writing. I tidy up the house. I take out the trash. Organization and cleanliness go hand in hand. I water the plants. Every small task is a step towards a better home. Repeat these sentences with your evening chores. Night routines are all about winding down. I take a shower at night. Refresh before sleep. I brush my teeth again. Hygiene twice a day is key. I wear comfortable clothes. I check my phone again. Nighttime comfort is important, just like the right word is for a sentence. I reply to messages. I set my alarm. Preparation tonight helps tomorrow start smoothly. Say these sentences as you follow your night routine. As the day ends, reflect and prepare. I think about my day. I plan for tomorrow. Planning is like roadmap for tomorrow's journey. I read before bed. Reading calms your mind, just as tuning a guitar before playing. I turn off the lights. I lie down on my bed. Darkness signals rest. I close my eyes. I fall asleep quickly. I sleep peacefully. A good night's sleep is foundation for a new day. Repeat these sentences and let your mind relax. Let's talk about habits that make your day smooth. I drink a lot of water. Hydration is like oil for a machine. I eat healthy food. I avoid junk food. Nutrition powers your mind and body. I try to stay active. I manage my time well. Staying active and organized is key to success, like grammar and vocabulary in language. I check my schedule daily. I stay organized. These habits make your day predictable and less stressful. Say these sentences and think about one new habit you can add to your routine. Finally, let's make English part of your routine. I keep my room clean. I practice English daily. Practice is the bridge from learning to fluency. I learn new vocabulary. I speak English with friends. Don't be afraid to try, just like riding a bike for the first time. I watch English videos. I listen to English podcasts. Input is as important as output. I write in a journal. I stay positive. Even small steps matter in language learning. Repeat these sentences daily and watch your skills grow. Let's wrap up. What are the top 3 takeaways from today? 1. Daily routines are your language playground. 2. Speaking and listening practice, like repetition and feedback, are your building blocks. 3. Consistency turns small actions into big progress. So, what should you do now? Pick 5 sentences from today and use them in your own life. Say them out loud, write them, or record yourself. Small steps every day. Curious about what's next? In the next episode, we'll explore English for shopping and social situations. Practical sentences you can use right away. Remember, you're building fluency, one brick at a time. If you enjoyed this practice, subscribe to English Xpress and keep learning with me. Until next time, keep practicing, keep improving.